Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to cook the Sinantomas, a Filipino food. This is look like this and it's really good with rice. And it looks good. Made from pork ribs. So here's the ingredients. First, 1 kilo pork spare ribs. Cut it like that. 1/4 cup soy sauce. And 1/2 cup pineapple juice. And 2 tablespoons ketchup. 1 tablespoon whole peppercorns, and mix it well together like that. Then marinate it for at least an hour. Then in your pan, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Fry potato till brown. Peel the potato and cut it like this and fry it. Just like one big potato. And remove it and set aside. And it looks like this. Set aside. Using the same pan, sweet onions. This is a yellow onions. Add garlic, minced garlic. Then add tomatoes. Like that. Looks good already. Add the pork. Set that vegetable inside and add the pork and brown the meat. Brown the pork. Brown both sides of the meat. And then add 1/2 cup of water. And then reserve liquid from marinade. Here's the marinade. You can put it in here to add the flavor. And it looks like that. Cover and simmer for 1 hour or until the meat is tender. And stir occasionally. Stir it occasionally. And look at that. It looks a little bit sticky now. And add the brown potatoes. It is perfect already. Then cook for 10 minutes. And here you go. It's about done. It's not much liquid left. And it's getting sticky. Stickier and stickier. And then add peas. I like peas a lot. And there you go, we're almost done. It's almost time to eat. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes just to warm the peas because the peas has already been cooked. The peas is from the can and it's been cooked. Then please serve with white steamed rice. There you go, ready to eat. It looks really good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.